Hello, I'm Stephanie Anderson, enrolled agent and certified tax coach. I wanted to make a quick video about the penalty abatement, tax penalty abatement. There are many types of penalties that can be assessed for a variety of different reasons, and actually those calculations can get quite complicated. And it is not uncommon for taxpayers to ask me for help in penalty abatement. And perhaps they think it's a quick call or a simple request. I'd like to talk a little bit more about it. So first of all, I'd like to say, if you get an IRS letter in the mail, generally you have about 30 days to respond to that. Now, if you get an intent to levy letter, we have 10 days to respond to that. So either way, it is extremely important that as soon as you get that letter, that you pass it on to your tax professional, right? If you're a client of mine, that you upload it into your secure portal the same day. Because there is certain timely things at hand here, like we need to respond to that letter as soon as possible. I may ask for a hearing on that letter. And if you start getting a series of letters in the mail, with each, as it progresses down the line, you start to lose your rights as a taxpayer and the solutions start to diminish. So just do this. You get a letter in the mail, scan it, upload it to your secure portal, and notify your tax professional immediately. I wanted to talk about reasonable cause. So the federal government, the Internal Revenue Service, will abate penalties if they have reasonable cause. However, you do need to write a very convincing letter with backup documentation to support your reasonable cause statement. So what happened? When did it happen? What are the facts and circumstances of the case? How did it affect your family, your day-to-day responsibilities? All these types of things. So if you and I work on penalty abatement together, we're going to have a conversation, right? And I'm going to ask you for certain sensitive documents and perhaps some personal things that could have happened in your life that would be relevant to why you would get behind or underpay or any of the reasons why penalties would be assessed. So we've had pretty good success. The one that I'm most proud of is $37,258.53. This is the largest penalty that I have gotten removed. And it was quite a day when that happened, because it is a large penalty and those aren't easy to come by. So I actually worked 2.5 years on this case to prepare for that. And if you think about it, you know, $37,258, that's could be somebody's annual salary. It's a lot of money, right? So this taxpayer was not in compliance when they came to me, and I worked with them to get in compliance and to become a good taxpayer with a great history with the Internal Revenue Service. So you want to create a good history before you actually seek penalty abatement. So as you can see, I'm touching on some of these topics. There is some strategy behind successful penalty abatement engagements. And we have learned over the years what those are and what's the best way to approach it. So if you are interested in this, if you have a penalty or you're worried about a penalty and you'd like to know more about our penalty abatement program, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to discuss it with you. You can schedule an appointment directly with me right on the website. We can Zoom or talk on the phone, and I look forward to hearing from you.